Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. You know the drill. If you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about crypto, if you like learning about investing in general, stocks, be sure, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bells, and definitely give me a like. Let me know that you like this kind of content. It really helps me out knowing what to bring to you. I'm still new to this YouTube thing, but I do want to bring you the best information possible. Now, crypto has had a fantastic run over the last few days, and we sold some crypto, and crypto is continuing to explode. We're still holding Cardano. We're still holding our XLM. Now, if XLM comes up another penny to 12 cents, that's where I'm going to look at cashing out on that. We'll be a full 20% up at 12 cents on XLM. So that's going to be where I'm looking to take profit at. Cardano, I'm looking to see it break above that 50 cent line. Despite how much Bitcoin and Ethereum has come up over the last few days, Cardano is being annoyingly slow. I normally expect a better move out of Cardano. However, sometimes it can do this. It'll just kind of sit there and kind of be a sleeper and then just explode all at once. So I'm going to be looking at those levels. If you're curious where I'm looking to get out, why I was still holding them, I'm really wanting to see those levels before I cash out, unless I see some weakness in Bitcoin coming down or something. That's what I'm going to hold out for. Now, if I was to see weakness, I may take my positions out a little bit earlier. I was looking this morning for a position to buy. Really nothing I felt comfortable about buying. Bitcoin and everything's just sort of going up, and I would love to think that they're going to continue running up and climbing higher and higher. However, it wouldn't surprise me if we get a pullback, and I don't want to be buying right at the top. We made some really good money over this past week, and I don't want to go getting too anxious and taking losses. You know, we're still got a couple of positions in, so I'm pretty happy with that, and just want to see what the weekend brings. Of course, in the market we had a ton of things going on. We had stock market was coming up, crypto markets coming up, and that was despite the fact that we had our CPI numbers and everything come out, and that inflation was hotter than even expected. So I'm really happy with how the market's holding up at the moment. However, like I said, do want to be cautious. Don't want to go getting ourselves overextended unless this does prove to be a bull market moving forward. So that's kind of what I got for you today as far as the crypto market itself. The one thing I do want to add is be sure you're getting out there. If you're already trading, please be extending your knowledge constantly. If you're looking to get into investing, then definitely the first step is get out there and start learning, okay? I recommend a lot of books on here because books changed my life. I spent over a year consuming every book that I could possibly read on finance and everything before I started getting into this. And before that, I lived paycheck to paycheck like so many of you out there. And Audible is definitely the way to go, because you can get on Audible, you can listen to books, and always be sure when you're getting a book on Audible or anywhere, make sure you get the unabridged version. You don't want to be missing out on something that could have meant something to you. But get out there, get these books. You can listen while you go back and forth to work or while you're sitting around the house. There's so much knowledge you can gain from an audiobook. I know a lot of people, they tell me, I like to read. Audiobook doesn't do it for me. But if you wait until you have time to read, then you're losing so much time that you could be gathering knowledge and improving yourself. Because that is really the most important investment you can make. Improve yourself. If you can improve yourself a fraction of a percent every day, 0.1% a day, then you're going to improve yourself multiple times over the course of a year, course of a couple of years. You know, if you can improve yourself even 1% a day when you're starting out, if you could do that every day, you'd be 300% of yourself by next year. You know, I'm not trying to sell you on Audible because I get something out of it. I truly do believe that Audible is the fastest way that a person can start improving themselves. And I've recommended several books on here. So the next book I kind of want to recommend if you're looking to get into breaking out of the rat race and getting into being an investor is going to be a book by Robert Kiyosaki called The Cash Flow Quadrant. Now that's a great book to help you set your mind to moving out of being a worker and turning yourself into an investor. It's a great read, not that long, especially on Audible. You know, it's not a super long book, but it is a really good book, and it's a great book for helping you get that mindset that you need to transfer over into an investor. If you're new to trading, if you don't have a great platform, I definitely recommend for stocks, go and get Webull. The link is in the description box. And if you're looking to trade crypto, then definitely go check out Coinbase. It's the one that I trust. It's what I trade on every day. So that's my recommendations. Definitely get my links. If you get my link and download Webull, you're going to get 6 free stocks just for signing up and depositing as little as 1 penny. And those stocks could be valued over $12,000. Now talk about a lottery ticket right there. In Coinbase, they're going to give you $10 worth of free Bitcoin just for trading $100. So think of it this way. Bitcoin comes back down, pulls down to the $19,000 range. You put $100 on that. You're going to get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. Plus, you're going to have $100 worth of Bitcoin valued at $19,000. And then when that comes up, if it goes to $100,000, then that $100 worth of Bitcoin is going to be worth over $500. Plus that $10 of free Bitcoin is going to be worth over $50. So Bitcoin makes a run in the next bull market. That $100 sign up could be worth over $550 easily. So definitely take advantage of those links. It's going to help you out, and it's going to set you up to be a better investor. If you don't already have Webull, Webull's going to allow you to trade in the pre-markets and the after-markets. And like I said, Coinbase, especially with everything coming out, all these Celsius and everything becoming insolvent, Coinbase is still holding up. It's proven itself so far. And like I said, I trade on it every day. I've never had an issue with it. Best thing I can do is say that I trust it. Doesn't mean they couldn't mess up, but so far so good. And we've already gotten pretty deep into this crypto winter. So remember, I hope you like this video. Be blessed. Join me on the next video. And until next time, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.